first I'm starting off with a half a cup of glue. Now I'm adding a pinch of baking soda. Then I'm adding my contact lens solution. Now I'm adding some food coloring because it's a bit hard to see with a white bowl. And it also gives it that cake batter color. Now I'm adding more activator, but not too much. And I make sure that it's really sticky. Now I'm adding in my beads. Add in a 1/4 cup of beads to start. Now I'm adding a little bit more activator. Now I'm kneading it for a bit because it's still sticky. And since it was still sticky, I'm adding just a teeny bit more beads, but not too much. And you're done! Thanks for watching. I hope that this video helped.